Okay, YouTube, this is how I pieced it together. Gonna cut this piece off here, right here, so it's just a bracket. Um, put something right here, tie all these two in together. A lot of slag in there, it's alright though. Got this one mounted here, back here. Tie those in together. Probably come from those to the frame again, maybe. Just to make that a little solider. But it's on there. And also, I'm able to remove some stuff. I'm able to clear that. You seeing that? Clearing on the other side. So I just need pedal extenders. I just need pedal extenders. And this thing is ready to go. Very minimal amount of space in between this bolt and the frame there. But that's working, so we're all right there. It's on there though. Snatch the motor off and get everything welded up all solid. And we ready to go. Ready to go. Need to slap the disc brake on it. Welded in some tabs for that. Got a 27 in the front, 27 and a half rather, I believe. See if we can get that on here for y'all. 27 and a half. And then it's a 26 on the back. See if we can get that too. So it's a 26 by 195 thin tire. So this is really a fixie. See, I done been playing with it right here. I cut it and stretched it out just a little bit at the top and the bottom, just to try to get that 26 with the 195 to work. You know, so this is originally a fixie. See there, we're pushing it tight. Got her on there though. Now I need to snatch this motor off, clean it up, because I got all type of bull stuff on it now. And after that, snatch the motor off. I need to cut this one piece of bracket off, just so it'll be easier to get the boat in and out of here. It's gonna be a process getting this boat out right now, but yeah, that's it. It's mounted on there though. I need to try to just make it a little more solid, but this probably would hold up like it is. You know, got very minimal space in between that head. You know, I start thinking like, how was I gonna get the motor off? Because this stuff is knocked in the way. That's in the way to come this way. So I'm gonna just have to figure something out, I guess. I'll do it though. Probably snatch the spark plug out or something. I don't know. I'll figure it out. We just finished that up though. The mount is on there. You can see I'm shaking the motor. Got a little side to side movement, but it's moving at this bolt here too. Can't probably see that though, but so I'll be back when I get it all saddled up, chain on it, brakes on it, and get ready for a throttle. Got to figure out a gas tank. Stay tuned.